Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, October 24th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So the bulls definitely accomplished something today. We are up in the daily, and we certainly stretched a balance high a little bit. Came back into it, but it's a weekly, all right? We stretched a weekly balance, so that's still to be determined. 3,800, another major roadblock today, although we closed above it. We struggled through it for 3 days in early October. We struggled through it now today all day. We attempted to go trend down in the morning, failed. Attempted to go trend up in the afternoon, failed. We took back one set of single prints from Friday. We hold that one little tick in I still. We didn't get the IB high till K period. So triple Qs almost went trend again today too, failed, and they took back all of Friday's trend day. Russell took back Friday's trend day and never went trend today and never took out their IB high or low. So a couple of different things on that. Now, volume is light today, only 75 million or so. Had a good day. Most of it was in the morning. I took a short. Actually, I lost on my first trade of the day. I took a short in A thinking we were going to fill the gap. Remember, we gapped higher today. I took a short thinking we were going to fill the gap the first time. It didn't happen. Started going back up. I took it off for a loss. Then in B period, I took a short to go fill the gap. In fact, I anticipated right before we took out A's low, took a nice 4 lot and did very well on that to go fill the gap. And then again, when it pushed up later in the time frame, shorted B again. Trying to think. Then we had single prints. So we had single prints when C started. Didn't think they were going to hold. So once they started going back up, took a long to fill the single prints in C. Then in D, I'm like, well, we didn't hold trend from today. We still held out trend from Friday in the upper distribution above Friday's high. So I took a long to pop C's high and stop the one-time framing down. That worked. Then in H period. Now, I was looking for an afternoon pullback, but a couple of things that was in the back of my mind. A, we hadn't taken out the IB high yet, and I've seen that game before, where they go and then get the IB low. Number two, we were failing at 3,800. So I actually took a small long in H, and it started coming in. I just took it off for a loss, like a 3-point loss. Nothing, not a big deal. And the same thing in I. I made a new low, which is our afternoon pullback. But again, we hadn't gotten the IB high yet. We were below 3,800. I still wasn't 100% sure. But what I did do is take a nice long. I took a long in K period. It looked like they were going to finally pop the top and get the IB high. Took a long and did well on that. And that was my last trade of the day. So definitely a good day. And the market was accommodating at times as the MGI was pretty good to read throughout the day. As far as destinations on the upside, in SPY, we have today's high of 380.06. Now we get into some price vacuums. Today we had a lot of destinations. Then we have 380.25 price pro from September 21st, and then nothing until 385.96, 12 wide from September 21st. On the downside, we have the afternoon pullback low, 376.61, highs low, and today's low of 373.11. ES, downside, 87.25 is the afternoon pullback, and 51.75 is today's low. And on the upside in ES, we have 38.22, and then nothing until 32.75 price pro from the 21st of September, and 91.50, 12 wide from September 21st. Again, a vacuum. And then just quickly on the chart. So here's the weekly. We took out now. People might still call this balance even if we take out this week's high of October 3rd. They might use this week as the balance high. If we take it out by a decent margin, I think I would call the weekly up because we'd be one-time framing up 2 weeks too. But I'm going to see by the end of the week how it goes. It's only Monday. For now, we're certainly still in balance. All we did was stretch the balance high by 60 cents or so. So the weekly is still in balance. But the big thing that the buyers did, is finally not only go up, but you remember I've been saying this now. I said I didn't think this daily high of 379.46 would hold as our next lower high. I said I think we will get a higher one. And then obviously we went and made a new low on the year. But look at today. We did take it out and we did get right to that trend line. Now, does that mean it's all over for the bulls? Of course not. We can still get above this trend line, even test the 50. We'll still be below these two highs. Okay? If we ever get above 411.73, like I said, then the lows of the year are in. But right now, I'm nowhere even close to saying that. For now, we just have a new lower high. Hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.